Hello YouTube, it's your camera boy Jonah, and tonight I'm sleeping in this art gallery. It's really cool. It's an art gallery in Bangkok, and some days of the week they also rent it out as an Airbnb. And the reason why I'm here is I'm gonna make a real estate video of it to promote it. And I'm here with my main man,
JC Live, what's up?
Really cool. You can check him at JC Live or at JC Shotis. I'll tag it below. Really cool pictures. So while I was setting up to start like the night shots, I had an issue with the crane too. I just got it like a month ago. So I was setting up the Canon 5D Mark IV with the Tamron 15-30. So that's a relatively heavy setup, and everything was balanced well. But when I turned it on, it started vibrating like this. It's kind of an issue with the crane. I already read about it, but I didn't really know how to fix it. But actually it was really simple. So I'll show you guys now, because it will save you a lot of headache. When you have it, it's actually just not even a minute work, maybe like 30 seconds, and now it works perfectly. So let's go to the crane and check it out, how we can fix the problem. So everything was balanced well. It looked like this when the crane wasn't turned on. But when I turned it on, the camera started like flipping like this. I fixed it by going to the menu. So you press the down button here. Now you get a couple of options. I don't know if you can read it. But the second one is motor. So you'll scroll to motor, you press right, should enter it. And here you can see that it says low, medium and high. And standard it was set on low, and with my previous camera I put on it, which was the Canon 80D with it's a 10-18 lens, the Canon lens, which I'm actually filming with now. It's a super light camera setup, so that's why it wasn't a problem when it was on low mode. This actually determines how hard the motors will compensate. So I just switched it from low to high because this camera setup is way more heavy, and it immediately fixed the problem. So here you go guys, enjoy your crane and take some awesome shots with it. I hope this fixed the issue for a lot of you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I got more informative video, photo, camera gear tutorials coming up. So smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and see you in the next one.